Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy messy bun hairstyle on medium hair. To start, leave a bit of hair out to frame the face and divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears, and do this on both sides. Bring these two sections together at the back of the head and secure into a ponytail using an elastic band. Divide the remaining hair in half. And starting on the left hand side, I'm going to pop a couple of fingers underneath that section, then pass the left hand side of the hair to your fingers and pull it through so it loops over that tied off section. Then repeat on the right side, so pop your fingers behind the section and pull the remaining hair through so it loops around. Then tighten both of these sections up by pulling on the ends and bringing them together at the back of the head, and again we're going to secure them with another elastic band, making a ponytail. Apply some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull for some more volume. I'm also going to pinch and pull at those side sections just to make it look a bit thicker. And I'm going to pop a couple of fingers down through that hole behind the elastic band, grab the ponytail and start pulling it through. Then secure it with another elastic band at the end, but only pull the tail ends part way through on the last turn to create a loop. Then we're going to simply take that loop and tuck it underneath that bun we've just made and secure with a couple of bobby pins, and then just stretch it out with your fingers for some more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.